Hey guys, Sonance here, back to another video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make the new Meduza track Lose Control. So the final result will sound like this.
To go when I lose control.
So the sound sounds really similar to the other Meduza track Piece of Your Heart. So I used the sounds from the sample pack Dirty Tech Film 1 and tweaked them a little bit and fit some more other presets in the same techie kind of style. Make sure to check the link down below. So now let's dive into the first sound, sounding like this. Second one sounds like this. That's the base of the sound. It's more of the top bass. So let's gonna make it from scratch. It's like in a preset. It's a saw wave lower down to octaves. With quite some unison, 7 voices. Then we're gonna shape envelope 1 like this with 70 hold. Decay a little bit down. Some sustain and quite a lot of release to really let the sound fade out. Basically put it all the way up. And that's like mono just to avoid overlapping notes. Then we're gonna dive into the effects. First of all, there's some OTT on it. That really fixes up the sound a little bit more. And that's some distortion. We're gonna go for the tube distortion. Put it all the way up. So it's not really distorted right now, so we're gonna filter it with a low 18. Envelope 1 to it. Cut off around here. Quite some resonance, drive, some fatness. And that's it for filters. So now we're gonna add some hyper dimension. Only dimension, no hyper. Just something like this to open it up a little bit more. Then we're gonna bring the sound a little bit more to life with some reverb and delay. But of course the low cut because we have the sub bass. And then some more low cutting with the EQ. Or it's envelope 1 to the frequency to just around here. I'm gonna open up the highs a little bit more. With the envelopes as well. Something like this. And now we're gonna lower down the master volume a little bit because the sound's clipping. So that's it for the first bass. Now we're gonna make a second one. So the second bass is the bottom of the sound, so it's gonna be really subby. So we're gonna start off with a saw wave. Same as the first bass. With quite some unisons as well. It's gonna be a moving bass line, so that's why we have the saw wave with a lot of voicing and detune. Could be enable the filter already. Second oscillator gonna be a sine wave. Just for that clean low end. Put it down to octaves and leave it like this. Drag the level a little bit down. Now we're gonna shape the filter. Gonna go for low 12 with some drive. Route the node to the drive and cut off. Just a little bit just to create some more movement in the bass line. Then we're gonna route envelope 1 to it. To the cutoff just to create some more movement. Select the rate to a really slow amount. Around 0.5 Hz. Add some smoothness. So it really gives a small movement to the bass line. Nothing too crazy. That's like Mono Legato and always. And we're gonna add some more release to the sound. Just to let the bass fade out a little bit more to avoid clicking sounds. Now for the effects it's really simple. Just some hyper to just put some more emphasis to the detune of the sound. And a little bit of dimension. Then we're gonna distort the sound as well. Gonna route a note to it as well to it. Now we're gonna put up the master volume a little bit, just to get the same loudness. And that's it for the sub bass. So together the elements sound like this. And that's it for the Meduza kind of sound drop. So if you like the video, please leave a like, see more, and the subscribe button. And I see y'all in the next videos.